Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this tutorial, we'll show you what you can do with PIERRE displays. To begin, we start the wiring process with the RIO display. We begin by connecting the neutral wire, then we connect the live wire, and move on to the next one. Now we wire up the Berlin display. We connect its neutral, followed by the live wire. Next up is the Helsinki unit. We wire it the same way. At this point, Berlin, Helsinki, and Rio displays are all powered up. We then proceed to connect the devices we want to control. We start with a lamp connected to the RIO controller. The RIO has two relays labeled L1 and L2, allowing us to control two devices. We wire the lamp to L1 and connect its neutral, which we share with the main neutral line. For the Helsinki display, we'll connect an electric valve. It also uses L1 and L2 for outputs. We wire the valve to L1 and connect the shared neutral as well. Finally, for the Berlin display, we connect another lamp and wire its neutral too. Now we power up the system. We wait for all devices to boot properly. Once that's done, we begin the setup in the PIERRE app. Open the PIERRE app, go to the menu, then into Settings and select Displays. We scan the QR code on the Berlin display. We name it Berlin, assign it to the Academy role, tap Save, and it immediately comes online. We repeat the process for the Helsinki display and assign it to the same role. Then we do the same for the RIO controller. Now that the devices are added, we can add the controllable outputs: a lamp via the RIO relay, another lamp via the Berlin display, and a heating valve via Helsinki. We start by adding the lamp to the RIO. In the app, we open RIO, navigate to the Relay tab, select Outputs, and choose to add a light. We name it RIO Light, assign it to the Academy dashboard, and select Relay 1, L1. We save it. We test the RIO light. Toggling it on and off works perfectly. Now we add a lamp to the Berlin display. In the app, we open Berlin, go to Relay, then Outputs, and again add a light. We name it Berlin Light and assign it to the kitchen dashboard. We select Relay 1 and save it. A new kitchen dashboard now appears, and we can switch between dashboards on all displays to control the lights. Next, we add the heating valve to the Helsinki display. In the app, we open Helsinki, go to Relay, then Outputs, and choose Passive Heating/Cooling. We name it Helsinki Heating 1, assign it to the kitchen dashboard, and select Relay 1. At the bottom of the form, we must select a temperature sensor, which is required to save the configuration. We select the built-in temperature sensor from the Helsinki display. After saving, we now see live temperature readings on the dashboard. We can already toggle the valve on and off. We increase the target temperature to 26.5 degrees. While we wait for updated readings, we add a knob to control the target value manually. Back in the app, we open Helsinki, swipe to the knob tab, and link it to the heating zone we just created. The knob now appears on the display. We warm up the sensor a bit by hand and the live temperature updates. Using the knob, we can set a new target temperature and toggle the heating function as needed. Now let's go back to the Berlin display, which has 4 physical buttons. We can assign different actions to each button. In the app, we open Berlin and swipe to the Buttons tab and configure button 1. We choose a one-tap action, select Toggle Light, and assign it to the Berlin light. Now we have a working physical button that can control the Berlin light. And as seen during testing, the valve connected to Helsinki also opens based on the current temperature settings. And that's it! Everything is in place and functioning as expected. Great job, and thank you for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial.